In this video, we'll be revealing 5 beautiful places to visit in Tokyo. 1. Shibuya Crossing is one of Tokyo's most iconic landmarks, showcasing the city's pulse. As one of the busiest pedestrian crossings globally, it symbolizes Tokyo's vibrant energy. Thousands of people cross simultaneously in all directions, and the surrounding neon signs and screens create an electrifying atmosphere. It's an absolute must-see for visitors. 2. Tokyo Tower, resembling Paris's Eiffel Tower, stands as a symbol of Tokyo's modernization. The observation decks provide sweeping views of the city, especially stunning at night when the skyline is illuminated. The tower's bright red and white color contrasts with Tokyo's ultra-modern architecture, making it a true landmark in the heart of the city. 3. Akihabara is Tokyo's famed district for electronics, anime, and otaku culture. Known as the Electric Town, it's packed with multi-story shops offering everything from the latest gadgets to rare anime merchandise. The district also boasts themed cafes, gaming arcades, and vibrant billboards, making it a must-visit for technology and pop culture enthusiasts. 4. Odaiba is a futuristic man-made island in Tokyo Bay offering diverse attractions. The area features the interactive Team Lab, Borderless Museum, shopping malls, entertainment complexes, and breathtaking views of the city skyline and Rainbow Bridge. Visitors can also take a photo with the replica Statue of Liberty, adding to its appeal as a unique destination. 5. Tokyo Skytree is the tallest structure in Japan and a prominent symbol of the city's modern skyline. The tower offers breathtaking views from its observation decks, allowing visitors to see all of Tokyo and beyond. It's an iconic landmark, especially stunning when illuminated at night, attracting both tourists and locals alike. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of an unforgettable journey.